Guess what? Not all snakes are scary. Let's figure out which ones are friendly and which ones you should avoid like the plague. First tip, color patterns. Watch out for the copperhead's hourglass markings, but remember, looks can be deceiving. Some harmless snakes sport similar styles. Next, check the head shape. Venomous snakes usually have a triangular head, while non-venomous ones have a more rounded shape. Behavior matters too. Venomous snakes often stand their ground and get aggressive. Harmless ones? They're the masters of the quick getaway. Let's talk specifics. Rattlesnakes? Easy. Just listen for that rattle cottonmouths flash a white interior when they're ticked off. And coral snakes? Red, yellow, and black bands all the way. So, next time you spot a snake, take a step back, observe, and use these tips to ID it safely. Remember, most snakes are harmless pals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and check out our other wildlife safety vids. Drop your thoughts in the comments below.